If you're looking for high-protein, delicious breakfast ideas, these Greek yogurt bowls are for you. I've got 3 different flavor combinations to keep you from getting bored. Each of these bowls contains about 20 grams of protein, and that of course will vary depending on which brand of Greek yogurt that you use. All right, let me show you how to make them. For the tropical Greek yogurt bowl, place 1 cup of Greek yogurt in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. This amount of maple syrup just takes off the edge of the sourness of the yogurt, so if you prefer a sweeter taste, feel free to add more maple syrup. Okay, so whisk that in. Now place some diced fresh mango and a few kiwi slices on top and sprinkle it with some chia seeds. This is optional, but it does add a nice crunch and it looks really pretty. Finish it off with some dried coconut flakes. I really like the fresh flavors of this one. For the blueberry granola bowl, we're going to start out the same way that we did for the tropical bowl. Place 1 cup of Greek yogurt in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and whisk that together. Again, you can add more maple syrup if you like. Sprinkle some granola on top, add some fresh blueberries and banana slices, and then drizzle it with almond butter. Quick tip, it's easier to drizzle the almond butter on top if you warm it in a pan briefly to melt it. These flavors are so comforting and classic, it's just hard to go wrong with this one. So for the chocolate bowl, we'll start a little bit different. Place 1 cup of Greek yogurt in your bowl, add 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, and then 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and whisk that all together until it's nice and smooth. Now top with fresh strawberry slices and sliced almonds. Look how pretty that is. I really like this flavor because it almost feels like you're eating a dessert. All right, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below which one of these bowls you want to try first. And make sure to watch this video next to learn the best way to cook a perfect sunny side up egg.